everybody. I'm Brandon Fletcher, Chief of the Gilt Edge Volunteer Fire Department. And I'm here to talk to you today about seatbelt usage. Seatbelt usage is something that's very near and dear to my heart. It's been a part of the Gilt Edge Fire Department's culture for as long as I can remember. And I joined in the year 2000. I can remember in 2006, our department being a part of the seatbelt pledge, where we all agreed that we would wear our seatbelts 100% of the time to all the calls, all the responses. In the Gilt Edge Fire Department, we do not move an apparatus unless all occupants are seated and belted. Take a few minutes, talk with your firefighters about their seatbelt usage. Do you have a policy in place? If not, they're easy to find. If you do, make sure that it's being enforced. Make sure that it's being followed. And if you need any further resources, check out the Seatbelt Pledge on the Everyone Goes Home National Fallen Firefighters page.
Buckle up.
Buckle up.
Buckle up.
Buckle up.
Buckle up.
Buckle up.
Whether you're the newest probationary firefighter or the chief of the department, buckle up.